trims are pretty rich.
Well, hello friends, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our channel 5 Grade Geese Official 2020. How are you today? I hope you're fine and remember to stay at home. Okay friends, today in this video we're going to continue our material about preferences. Yesterday, we have learned about preferences, of course, with comparison. And before we start, do you still remember about our material on yesterday about preferences? If you don't remember, if you forget, you can check again the video, the live streaming video again on this channel. And then now I will continue the material. The material is still preferences, but without the comparison. Again, preferences without comparing the object. Okay. For example, if I ask to you, what would you do on this weekend? And you can answer by, I prefer to study. Yeah, you say, I prefer to study without comparing with another activities. You just say study, like that. Okay, now we're going to next example. If I ask you, what would you do in this pandemic? What would you do in COVID-19 pandemic? And you can answer with, I prefer to study. Yes, you just say study without comparing with any activities, like that. Okay, with that example, do you get the idea of preferences without comparing the object? Now, how we express these preferences correctly? Okay, the first one, we start with preference. Yeah, preference like I prefer, you prefer, they prefer, he prefers, she prefers. Yeah, you can use prefer followed by noun or to verb. Okay, again, you can use prefer with noun or to verb. For example, I prefer to run. Okay, run is the activity. Don't forget the to. Okay, I prefer to run. Again, activity again. I prefer to swim. Okay, again, I prefer to study or I prefer to silent. Like that. Okay, that's followed by verb or activity. Don't forget the to. Again, you can use prefer followed by noun. For example, I prefer banana. I prefer chair. I prefer strawberries. I prefer uh, I prefer blue chairs. Okay friends, that was about prefer, how we use prefer. Now, the second one, we have would rather. Again, would rather. Okay. How we use would rather, it's followed by noun or verb. Okay. If you want to use would rather, it must be followed by verb, by activity, but without to. Again ya, if you want to use would rather, it must be followed by activities or verb, but without to. For example, I would rather walk. I would rather talk. I would rather swim. I would rather study. I would rather play badminton. Okay friends, do you get the idea? If you want to use would rather, just follow by the activity and don't use to, just the activity. Okay, like the example. Okay friends, now you get the idea of using prefer and using would rather. Now the last, we use would prefer. Again ya, would prefer. Not just prefer but would prefer. And how we use would prefer? If you want to use would prefer, it just followed by verb or activity. Okay, but with to. Okay, use the to. Okay, for example, I would prefer to swim. I would prefer to talk. I would prefer to walk, like that. Okay, I would prefer to play badminton. It's like that. Okay, yeah. If you want to use would prefer, please just follow by the verb or activity, and don't forget to using to. Okay, friends, did you get the idea? I will give you the example again. I would prefer to swim. I would prefer to talk. Okay, and or he would prefer to swim, or she would prefer to study. It's like that. Okay, friends, that is our material about preferences without comparing the object. Okay, we have learned how to use prefer. We have learned how to use would rather, and we have learned how to use would prefer. Okay, if you want to use prefer, it can be followed by noun or to verb, ya. And then if you want to use would rather, just followed by verb, okay, verb without to, and would prefer followed by to verb. Okay. Okay, friends, do you get the idea of the material today about preferences without comparing the object? Okay, if you don't get the idea, you can rewind again this video. And if you get the idea of this material, I have a task for you. Please write sentence of preferences without comparing the object. Okay, using prefer. One example using prefer, one example using would rather, and one example using would prefer. Okay, just one example of each. Okay, friends, I think that is enough for this material, and I hope you get the idea of the material. And don't forget to make your task, take the picture, and send it to your Google Classroom. Okay, friends, I think that is enough for this video. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.